Welcome back to 10 mind-blowing facts a day. While most festivals bring joy, some dive headfirst into the utterly bizarre. Today, we are counting down 10 of the world's most peculiar and outlandish festivals that will make you question everything you thought you knew about human celebration. Prepare to be amazed. Your definition of party is about to change forever. Fact 10. La Tomatina, Buñol, Spain. Every August, Buñol transforms into a battlefield of tomatoes. La Tomatina is the world's largest food fight, where thousands hurl over 150 metric tons of ripe tomatoes. Streets run red with pulp, making it an unforgettable, sticky experience. Originating from a spontaneous street brawl in 1945, it proves that bizarre ideas often lead to the biggest fun. Fact 9. El Colacho, baby jumping, Castrillo de Murcia, Spain. This 400-year-old Spanish tradition is not for the faint of heart. During Corpus Christi, men dressed as El Colacho, the devil, leap over rows of babies laid on mattresses. The ritual is believed to cleanse infants of original sin and protect them. Despite looking terrifying, no babies have been seriously harmed, making it an astonishing, controversial custom. Fact 8. Cooper's Hill. Cheese rolling and wake, Brockworth, England. Imagine hundreds barreling down a ridiculously steep hill, risking injury, all for a wheel of double Gloucester cheese. This annual event is insane. A 9-pound cheese rolls from the top and competitors tumble head over heels chasing it. Despite injuries, this quirky event draws thousands, embodying unique British madness. Fact 7. Hadaka Matsuri, Naked Festival, Japan. Held across Japan, the Hadaka Matsuri, or Naked Festival, sees thousands of men wearing only traditional loincloths. Their goal? To cleanse evil spirits and pray for good fortune, often by bathing in icy waters or fighting over sacred objects. The Saidaiji Eyo Hadaka Matsuri involves a chaotic scrum where men wrestle for sacred wooden sticks called shingi, believed to bring happiness. Fact 6. Monkey Buffet Festival, Lopburi, Thailand. In Lopburi, Thailand, hundreds of macaque monkeys are revered as good luck symbols. Each November, locals host a lavish feast for them, piling tables high with fruits, vegetables, and sweets. Thousands of pounds of food create an incredible spectacle as monkeys descend to gorge. Residents give back, believing monkeys bring prosperity, making for a bizarre, adorable annual celebration. If you thought those were strange, you haven't seen anything yet. We're about to explore rituals involving actual body piercings, massive phallic symbols, fiery Viking ships, and feats of strength that defy logic. These next few facts are guaranteed to make your jaw drop. Fact 5. Kanamara Matsuri, Festival of the Steel Phallus, Kawasaki, Japan. Every spring, Kawasaki streets erupt in celebration of fertility and marital harmony at the Kanamara Matsuri. This Shinto festival features giant pink phallic floats with phallus-shaped candies and souvenirs. While seemingly outlandish, its roots lie in ancient prayers for protection from STIs, safe childbirth, and prosperity. It's a vibrant, bold celebration of life, drawing curious onlookers globally. Fact 4. Uphelly Aegea, Lerwick, Scotland. In Scotland's remote Shetland Islands, every last Tuesday in January, Lerwick erupts in a massive fire festival, Uphelly Aegea. Thousands of participants dressed as Vikings and carrying flaming torches march. The climax? They set an impressive replica of a Viking longship ablaze, symbolizing the end of winter. It's a spectacular, intense display of Norse heritage. Fact 3. Thaipusam, Malaysia, Singapore, India. Thaipusam is a Hindu festival celebrated by Tamil communities, notably in Malaysia and Singapore, dedicated to Lord Murugan. Devotees perform penance, often involving extreme body piercings. Many carry kavadis, elaborate structures attached to their skin with hooks and skewers. Others pierce their tongues and cheeks, showcasing an incredible, unsettling display of faith and endurance. Fact 2. Battle of the Oranges, Ivrea, Italy. Picture a historic Italian town where residents divide into 9 teams, don protective gear, and wage an epic battle using only oranges. The Battle of the Oranges in Ivrea is Italy's largest food fight, commemorating a medieval rebellion. Thousands pelt each other with oranges over 3 days. It's a messy, adrenaline-fueled, vibrant reenactment, combining historical drama with citrus-scented mayhem. Fact 1. Wife Carrying World Championships, Sonkajärvi, Finland. And finally, at number 1, a festival demanding commitment, endurance, and humor. The Wife Carrying World Championships in Sonkajärvi, Finland sees male competitors carry their female teammates, not necessarily wives, through a grueling 243.5-meter obstacle course. The prize, the wife's weight in beer. Originating from local robbers, this bizarre sport is now an international event, proving love and beer conquer all. From tomato fights to baby jumping, and body piercings to wife carrying, the world's festivals are a testament to humanity's boundless creativity and bewildering traditions. Which of these bizarre celebrations blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And for more mind-blowing facts daily, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.